target I had on gold.
If it makes you feel, it changes your opinion, Ryan. I've never been a big gold guy, so I might want to buy some soon, but I don't really want to. It's free to go higher.
It's free to go higher.
Open. I took a little parlay. I picked East game, who I think is going to win. I took Canada. Wait, does Mexico play today?
Yeah, Mexico plays tonight, 7.
Oh, there's more games I didn't take then.
Okay, let's see what the market does here at the open here. I have the multi-channel up right now. So we just see how the live action goes here in the next 25 seconds we start. If you guys are interested in what the site is, I'll take that IO.
Not really.
5 seconds.
Well, they'll hear that early, honestly. So market's up, I guess.
Okay.
Definitely suggest waiting a little bit.
Ooh, dropping it here right at the open.
Here we go, all right. Our portfolio is
Nice. Long gold worked out really well, Ryan. Thank you.
Yeah, I could at least, jump 10 points here and take a safety trim.
Yeah. That's why I took the trim at 5 there. Nice.
Oh, they're draining it. Keys up there.
Nice. We green.
Oh my god, we are dropping hard.
About to get 2 more Lucids funded live on the page.
715, big spot for Qs. We have the volt at 7,200 below. Wow. And we have below for 7,330 for the surge.
I thought you were last.
I had to be at the
first second.
Yeah.
Kids outside my door getting ready for school.
Okay, let's see what they do.
Google and NVIDIA popping a little bit off the opens. I still popping a little. QQQ is not, but it did just hit yesterday's close. So gap fills there. We didn't quite get there. Yes, 74.34 is your gap fill down there, about 10 points lower. SPX, same thing. Just do the math there, like 65-ish.
Dude, what's so interesting about NQ is that we've been trading within the orb, yesterday's orb range, all throughout Asia and London. We have yet to break previous day orb. That's wild.
10-point gain on gold. I just trimmed half here.
Nice, dude. Nice.
I'm glad you mentioned gold because I looked at it, it's under 4,000. There's no way people are buying that.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense too. Like when New York opens, you have a ton of volume come in, and like you just have this nothing, just like.
If we break under 734 on SPY, we could see down at 730. And that was a big level yesterday, 730, that we never got to.
It's just a huge key level. SPX SPY pushing up here a little bit.
So I didn't call the trade, but I actually jumped in a long amount already.
Yeah, good morning, guys. What's up?
Again, I want SPX to get to 7,400. That was what the plan was today. We're 20 points away.
Oh, beautiful reaction.
Yeah, I mean, we could jump up to that pivot
Damn.
Come on.
power at like 47,
Do it.
4,047, which is
I'm
actually
looking.
15 in the EMA 20 is. That's wow.
Possible rejection yet. 803 on NASDAQ. I'm gonna have to wait for it because its move up is strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a short seller on gold at
Come on.
40, 40.
Let's get higher. Again, that was the goal today, get higher. And then we short around 7,400
Long 3-minute CBC.
if it doesn't break through.
I just need to make what
What
is
a
that?
move.
I need to make $100 more on 2 of my listed accounts. And then
Amazon is ripping.
ooh, and Q with that nice run up right there, dude.
Oops, sorry.
Microsoft.
Just gonna mute myself for a second. Yes, let's get some money today, boys.
Google, nice dip.
One second, guys. 1 second. $7,400 was our big level going into today.
Poet's got a headline on LinkedIn post speculation. Poet's a popular name on here. It's getting a decent little push here. Going over some of the stories earlier, Sunrun continues its move on that headline that we read off this morning. 24.5% up now on RUN. Oh, LED rolling in this morning.
Hey, good morning, everyone. this morning. I'm just watching RKLB, CBRS.
What's up in names?
Look at all that red, dude. Oof.
Don't worry,
What else
Kenny,
is-
it's only temporary. What was that, Ellie? RKLB, and what was the second one?
CBRS. CBRS breaks 200.
Oh, yeah.
If we can get locates, I have not
I'm
checked.
trim Amazon here. Ripping. Gosh.
Yes,
dang,
sir.
Baby.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
I
I'm
like the
using
timing too at 63. Thank you.
Yeah, I long to yes down here.
By the way,
my God.
Right into that 7400 that we were talking about yesterday on SPX for today.
Mhm. Jesus Christ, Amazon filled at 250. Oh my gosh, let's go.
Jeff Bezos and Jesus Christ.
Ooh, Amazon is squeezy.
Reminder of the
Yeah,
audience
it's
if you have a long lateral.
After one. Thank you.
Reminder of the audience, this is live trading. Live trading thoughts will take precedent over their conversation. We talk ideas, charts, news, all that stuff around that. If you're new here.
Mike Long is you here.
Oh my God, I'm trimming Microsoft now. Amazon sold 25% of my position.
Oh, bit here, huh? Oh my God. All right, filled at 515.
Qs can get to 720.
Here, though, I really don't like the 15-minute on your queue.
Yeah, I think I'm jumping out manually on my second contract.
Yeah, I mean, you have to
Give it some time.
all the way to the bottom and then to the top here.
Okay, stop that.
Yeah, there's hovering at you up.
I'm good for the day, so that's. I'll just give it some time.
We'll push you up a little bit here.
Yeah, we're going to get a 20-point trim on gold. It's like David Stacks this morning, long and gold.
I'm still a short seller at 40-40, I think, 40-45. I want to see it run up into this new night.
Some gold under 4,000. I figured somebody's
Hey, that's a good strategy, dude. What's your strategy? Yeah, gold is 4,000 for rocket lab.
This is a big back test on the table. I know it's kind of in a free fall.
NGC long, 3-minute CBC.
Yeah, the 3-minute CBC did look really nice there. I thought about getting back in the long. I should have.
We're directed right into that 7400. Let's see if we could break above it. If not, that is not good.
Right, that's the 30-point game on gold.
Nice.
Sorry.
30-minute candle on, or a 30-point trim on this candle on gold here. I'm going to go down to a winner size only. And then we'll see if we can continue up until that 050 area.
This got volatile half.
Just have this stop that immediately.
I'm just going to back there. This will be my risk. US long. You have static view. Drop it. It's going to take 15 minutes.
The only thing I don't like about those longs is yes, some of the capital balloons.
Oh my lord.
And that 7,400 right there just rejected on SPX as well. That was not you talked about that yesterday. That was a big level in the overhead side.
Yeah, I shorted at 7400. I'm fucking making a killing right now.
This guy.
Another stock that's getting shafted right now is MSTR. It's about to test 100.
Good.
Good trend stock. If you get dips, breaks 100, I'll be shorting that thing all day. And RKLB lower, 90 target, and then after that, who knows? Oh no, Ryan, what do you think of that?
I think MSTR is going to the OTC.
Ideally today, because I'm short, but hey.
Yeah, if it wants to do it today.
Yeah, look at that, dude.
Yeah, it's a insane rejection. looked for a second like it wants to go high, and then oh,
Yeah, dude, that 15-minute
And
candle
two, sorry.
is disgusting.
it's insane. Well, I've got levels low.
15-minute EMAs now. That's a 7-point gain. I'm gonna sell a quarter.
I don't know how you guys do gold. I get slaughtered on this thing if I try. Just look at it funny.
I wasn't gonna touch it honestly until Alan, as I looked at the gold versus QDS, and I was like, oh, gold's just so clean compared to these two.
Yeah, for me, when it started off, like, it was just the sizing was a big issue. Because, you know, like, I don't know. For me, I'd say like 5-8 micros. And treat it just like ES. Maybe a midpoint between ES and NQ on the aggression. There's 11-point gain, gold. I'm down to the runners now. Just a little scout.
You know, probably start getting some resistance in these 15-minute EMAs here. Dude, oh my god. These 15-minute candles on NQ and ES. Dude, what the?
Dude, I'm still short SPX right now. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Just keep dropping. Just keep dropping. They gave me exactly what I wanted at 7,400.
Look at that, dude. Like, what are you supposed to do with that, you know?
Short the shit out of it.
Yeah. Oh, damn, Axe. Oh my god.
Okay. I trimmed 75% here of my SPX 7385 puts. I gotta stop in profit, so if it just goes, if it pops back up, I'm just gonna get out.
Alright, I'm just waiting for gold now. Ryan, I just saw your tweet. They're trying to end this bull run.
Oh yeah, dude, that guy at the World Cup since hilarious. So I've changed the diaper over your cases, you know that makes me fun more.
Let's see if they can support 7380, 7385 here.
Yeah.
I don't like that we still have this open gap down on SPX, but I don't hate the area that NQ is trying to hold. Yesterday's lows area.
We're rejecting off EMA 20 here on the 10-minute on gold. Trying to get in some red here. I'm going to try to ride this down.
Not looking good.
MES long. I'm a little late. CBC flipped up on 15 minutes.
It's usually just look long on gold on the 15 minutes. And we just had those flips in the past, just get rejected at EMA 20 here over and over again.
They're still trying to hold that 80 though. If they could hold that 80, they could push back up to 7,400 and test it again. If they break that 80, not good on SPX.
Not good.
I'm just looking around right now. I don't see anything I really like.
Max, you get any spreads going on?
No, not yet. I will be soon. We also have data at 10, right? Or something?
Not much. Really the only thing today is micron earnings and new home sales is the 10 a.m. data. So I'm wondering if they don't chop until this afternoon. I mean, chop, when I say chop, just like range, like back and forth.
Okay.
But we'll see. Beautiful gold.
Yeah, I was saying, you still got your runners, bro? Yeah. Still got one. I got one contract still runs up.
Pretty low in Qs.
Yep.
So this gap on SPX here, I think.
By the way, I don't know if you saw Nancy Pelosi filed some trades today.
Uber. Intel, yes, bigger one.
Uber and Intel.
Stop ES.
Looking at this here, got this shit on the scheme. Yeah, it's been like this 15-minute candle on the gold here. I think this next candle closes bullish for gold. We tap into EMA 20 there, and then next candle, the CBC split on the downside and tack lower possibly.
Just swept yesterday's low.
Yeah.
There's an NFP on QQQ like just slightly lower than where we just bounced at. If that hits same time as fixed gap fills, I'll probably try one.
Dude, these wicks are wild.
There's a bunch of buying that just came in right there.
Yep.
Yeah, I got Wick there.
I was
I
one
chased the green a little too much.
It's sweep of yesterday's lows.
That's a
So wouldn't be
123-minute
surprised
wick.
Yeah, I still wouldn't be surprised to.
I'm gonna retake my same entry here, 84% rule.
Yeah, clearly a ton of buyers right there.
Look
I'm
at
also
it
taking
now.
a ladder gold here, 3-minute CBC, smaller position.
long R2 wire and 2K again today. Look at that new 9K. Come on, baby. Some style of the market high. Let's do this thing.
Nice.
Trying to get a footprint spread down there, but I wasn't fast enough.
2 minutes closed above here. This will be important.
IWM new highs.
7-point gain ES, sold half.
It's 50-point gain
Let's
on
break
gold.
highs.
I'm gonna take one more off here and just leave one runner. Try to get back into like this 70s from here, I guess.
Come on. 3, 2, 1. 0.
Let's see if we can break over 7,400.
Go, go. 20 points. Come on, yes, go.
If they break 7,400 and pull back into it, I'm logging at the dip.
Do the same thing I did yesterday.
There's no point gain on the gold ladder. I'm gonna sell 3/4 here at the 15-minute 20 EMA.
What? New high, trim it ES. Boom, new
15-point gain, MES. I'm going to sell a quarter here.
Over 7,400.
Oh my god, what a hole.
It's a wild reaction. That's stupid. Yesterday's low in Q.
It was it was previous day low on Qs, run at pre-market low for SPY. I think pre-market low for IWM as well.
Yes,
Q
Island.
74 to 75.
Good morning. Command TV up on MQ.
Morning.
There he is. Justice.
A beautiful day. How we doing?
It's a great day to have a great day. It's a great day because Amazon's about to make another new higher day.
Right die.
Come on.
Amazon off the open. I swung calls. Even better.
I closed mine this morning.
Oh yeah, Joe. I know you're in that too. Nice.
Yeah.
I sold half this morning. I'm still in the rest right now.
Nice. I wasn't looking at my phone when the contracts were at 250 and they're at 230, and I was like, I'm just gonna take it because
I sold half at 250, 255.
yeah, I was like, if this reverses, then I'm gonna be so pissed not taking what I get. So, like, I did everything right.
Yeah. No, it was a beautiful trade. I want to see 240 today. I want to see that 240 psych level hit.
I like that idea.
Stocked out here. Not too much premium on SPX put credit spread side.
Hey, Joe, their quote tweeted his face. Appreciate that. Get it out there. One of our listeners should be in EQ shorts, previous day low. Beautiful. What's up, Roman? Good morning. Are anybody trading Wendy's? I saw this overnight.
Dude, yeah, let's go ahead. Freaking Wall Street bets.
They're trying to squeeze it on Wall Street bets. It hit the 200 day and got smacked. This is probably a short, to be honest. 24% up and falling.
15-minute 200 EMA still in play here. ES, it's about 5 points higher, 75, 76. Looking for VWAP on gold. I got runners on both initial gold long and the ladder.
I'm actually
Trail
short
stop should
gold
be set
here,
as well.
120 EMA on 15-minute chart.
There we go. McScalpa Fee, 3-minute inch. I like
Really tight
McScalpa
stops
Fee.
here.
What a
though.
great name.
Very small position sizing, really tight stops.
Spreads are wide right now.
We're finally getting some red on gold. Come on.
8.5 on MQ.
Give me that 5-point
Yeah.
scale. Come on,
Look at
gold.
that pivot point on ES. That pivot point at 70 was a 12-point rejection so far.
What they fill me out for the order, 74.69. We can get over top of that. Target previous day high on SPY, 739.63. IWM hit previous day high almost to the penny. Qs is just not a long.
Yeah, Q's is much weaker.
Yeah.
What's breaking it
Let's,
down?
that's what I was gonna do. I was just gonna go look and see what's pulling us.
All mag sevens
semis.
are green.
It's semis.
Hmm.
Semis and maybe use software a little bit. Mostly semis. ADD is actually really positive today. 740.
I'm seeing a
I
lot
want to send it higher. Nice, dude. You got gold.
I'm seeing a lot of things still same as yesterday, right? So we're in the neutral to bullish down here.
Yeah.
CBRS reported earnings yesterday. Big beat with the stock
Pivot break there. GG's. Nice.
RKT's weekly is very interesting.
Nice
Look
3-minute CBC on gold. Did you hit that, Will?
No, I didn't hit the long. I was going short of the 20, and I just stopped.
Oh shit, my bad, bro.
It's all good. No. The 3-minute was telling me otherwise. It was small position sizing. I knew it was high risk. Yeah.
Watch your monthly on ticker RKT as well. Right now it's building a squeeze. You're getting a strong hammer candle and a higher low off this one. It's getting a really good move intraday, but watch how it closes the rest of the week and month out.
I'm just like not convinced of this gold long though. I'm still not convinced.
They rejected 7,400 again here.
Yeah. I want to get an iron condor, but I'm not going to be here on the back half of the session.
Trail stop hit remainder break even ES.
Same these.
Gold coming into VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP's a short area for me.
There's actually not that much premium right now on this thing. It's kind of disappointing.
Okay, so let's see.
You can go $100 out of the money right now on Iron Condor. You'll collect $60.
32-point gain gold. I'm all out the initial position. I still have the ladder.
I think you'd be pretty safe with the 74, 80, and 70. 70. No, fuck that. A 70. No, I mean 74, 80, 72, 80 on SPX. Not terrible.
Oh, doing a call spread?
Iron Condor.
That's 695. Looking for a VWAP.
$100 out of the money both sides right now.
And bring Frank up.
Got him. I think we talked about kicking him off, right?
Not the tank. Never the tank.
Break that tank.
Evan, we'd kick you before we kick Frank.
I respect it, honestly.
What'd you say, kick Evan? Well. Hey, the island votes.
All right, 30-minute orb set.
But before I get kicked off, there's a tweet pinned up in the nest above. We're doing a free webinar. I won't be speaking. Others will be. Good traders. Tweet pinned up in the nest above. Tomorrow at 4:15 p.m. Eastern.
I was only going to the webinar because I thought you were speaking.
New home sells 7.3% drop, 580,000 versus 622 previous.
I can speak, but I thought it would be a little bit more of a pitch to say that I'm not speaking.
No, it's a big pitch if you're speaking.
Here's that pivot right here. 10-minute looks super bullish on gold though. Oh yeah, 15-minute candle just closed too. This could be a good long re-entry.
So again, 7,400 is the line in the sand for SPX. We need to break above that and hold to push higher. If not, we can lean lower. I mean, market's kind of...
Yes, is that a big one?
Nothing looks like great here.
I see that 15-minute doji method off of the open candle. I draw a zone on both upper wick, lower wick of that 15-minute and trade according to those zones, right? So buy beneath 46 down to 38 and sell 52 up to 67, 68. Play them back and forth until one side forces an imbalance.
There's been a ton of size on NQ filling today. Another 300 lot just filled. What, 700, 703 area? I'm actually surprised we're not moving up a little bit more this morning. Did we hit the 50-day on SPY?
No. Oh yes.
That was on
Ooh.
rejecting there.
There we
15-minute doji on ES. I'm
More
looking
than
at the
J&J.
longs under 47.
Let's see if the sweep holds. We just tapped POC.
Holy home builders.
Holy home builders, Batman.
Oh, dude. HXB is up 5% right now. Make sure you go shop at your local Home Depot and Lowe's today. Popping up a little bit.
Which
do you
one?
prefer?
Home Depot or Lowe's?
Lowe's,
Which one?
100%.
Lowe's? Oh, man.
Home Depot's where it's at, bro.
The Home Depot
Dude, I'm a
daily
Home
chart
Depot
looks
man.
really good.
You can't buy Milwaukee at Lowe's.
I can't afford Milwaukee. You're rich.
I can't afford
I
Milwaukee.
can't afford Milwaukee. I'm still using Cobalt, brother.
Hey, don't get me wrong. I love Cobalt too. Warranty on all their tools.
I'll give you the answer here if you want.
Joining along on NASDAQ 58.
You guys are you're trying to tempt me on this thing again.
I'm at 74.51 on ES.
If IWM doesn't get a significant bounce right here on the 5 and on this pullback, you're going to have a reversal right there for these curving tests. This is
Ground stop remainder profit on gold ladder.
I end up like the longer entry here, but the 3-minute hasn't touched EMA yet. Oh no. That 15-minute closing outside, like above the EMA 20, is what might convince me to go long here. Obviously, you have VWAP here, though. Like, this could just be a really good short re-entry, according to 15-minute.
healthcare is looking good.
Yeah, a lot of rotation.
Yeah. They need to rotate in the freaking Pepsi. Send this shit to 145 today.
Airlines are doing really well. Oil coming in.
think-
Oil just broke 70. The target's still
cruise
68 on that.
lines
All right, I'm kind of long gold, I think.
as well.
42,
Opened up green.
candlestick roughly 38.
IWM printed a 5-minute sell signal for the reversal of the Unity Star.
Trailing at the new 5-minute candle.
One in Q.
Out one contract on NQ.
There we go. There's the narrative.
About a half.
There's
60 points.
Yes.
That was fucking quick. Holy shit. This is crazy.
There we go.
Let's stop at 60.
I'm all out of ES. I'm just waiting. I want us to fill the gap and come down to that like NFP a little bit lower, just below low of day. And that would also fill the gap on SPX and you get pretty close to touching the 50-day on the daily.
I'm flat on ES now.
And Q stops moved up to 80.
Bang, bang, bang.
Nice, Frank.
I'm going to scale out of this. 21, all that.
21.
Great interest, guys. See multiple retweets. Big shout out to the Wolfpack down below, trading with us this morning. Once again, drop a commentary what you're watching, what you're trading. Any news or anything that we've missed, drop that below and make sure you retweet the space out. If you're up here on stage,
Then we'll stop out on the second contract.
CBRS, that new IPO, spoke about it a bit before, it's almost at IPO price of 185. It looks like it's going to break down on the daily. Oh, that's what Ellie was watching that one this morning. That one came through. Oh man, the flush chart. Yeah, the company looks like it's doing stellar, but it's just an IPO. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
What was the issue price?
185, and it opened at what is that? 350. Yeah, so I remember seeing that it was gonna open at 185, and I was licking my lips, and then I saw 350, and I was like, well, kind of still on the sidelines.
Wendy's is halted. Oh, that was a little while ago.
What's SpaceX doing? Flat.
SpaceX needs to go down.
Mm-hmm. $600 billion market cap. Please and thank you.
IWM still looks good.
Okay, I just opened a condor very far out of both sides.
I'm gonna gold short here. Sell green, cover red. It is very high risk. I don't like that we're holding these.
Put that back to my gold. 40. If the 40 is a big level to reclaim and hold. 40 or 40. 40, sorry.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out if they break through here.
Nvidia is getting a big sell candle here.
All right, there's that 15-minute doji still playing out. If you shorted that upper wick, you want to bring it down to the lower wick. First 15-minute open candle. Not a bad idea to limit down here, like mid 40s potentially for longs.
Yeah, I don't like this green closure. I'm probably gonna close out. Yeah, I'm closing out.
Roman says he's only trading Wendy's today. Data Sniper gets some SPX credit spreads. There you go. I do. I mean, I think we could chop around here. I don't see us like just flushing through the 50-day below us, and I don't see us really ripping until maybe later after Micron earnings this afternoon.
Well, hasn't Micron actually fallen on earnings the past couple of times? I mean, it always has run up into them too. So
Yeah, and well, like on one of them, they like gapped, like gap down and immediately get bought or something.
I believe so. But I think like basically it's always priced in.
It gapped down, pushed back up. Well, I think like overnight. I'm trying to remember. I feel like it ran up and then everybody just started taking profit. Can't remember.
Yeah,
gold's holding nicely.
yeah, it's holding up nicely on gold. I got stopped at my short. 3-minute EMAs are holding pretty true here.
They're still holding that 7380, 7385 we talked about too. I mean, we're just stuck between 7400 and 7380. Got to see a range break out of one of those areas. Got to see a range break.
Got to see your range break.
Nvidia broke 200. It's not looking great.
Let's
Long
check.
78 on NASDAQ.
Let's check
Okay, that's
Nvidia.
the red I wanted, of course.
Nvidia probably could see 197.5. Looks like a good spot.
IWM could be a flag up here. It's Probably my favorite one if we're going to go long.
Short there would have played out nicely.
Hit that long, sitting in my hands.
NQ 140.
Nice.
That was like quick.
We'll get waked up just to go out.
Yeah, unbelievable.
I honestly don't want to touch NQ in this range.
Yeah.
Give me a new low day or bring a base above highs. It's like 650, 640 to 800.
These wicks are gnarly. ES is in no man's land right around VWAP and PFC.
And if you look at like QQQ or SPY, like SPY,
NQ is not the small profit.
there's 3 NFPs all right here on SPY. Literally like high of day, low of day, in the middle.
Nvidia's dropping here, like you said.
Yeah.
Looks like 197.5 is coming.
Amazon still looks good. It's flying off of the
Yeah, it's still holding up there.
Google's okay. Broadcom gave back a lot of the news from this morning, but it's still sitting green on the day. Need semis to catch a bid. Yeah, sector. I mean, your banks are getting hit a little bit this morning as well.
The gold short looks good too for continuation. Just lock that in my
1143. Stop at the 35 NQ.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
These spreads are gnarly.
That's about all the data we have for today. Some small 5-year note auction this afternoon.
Out one.
Got Ellie Rocket Lab.
Oh yeah, it's dying. Day two
Just dying.
Look at MSCR.
I sold all of my space stocks back like early June before SpaceX. Like end of May into early June. I sold everything. ASTS, Rocket Lab, all of it.
Knots probably remembers this. Knots, remember that penny stock we all thought was gonna like buy Amazon in like 2019, 2020?
What was it? I don't remember.
What was the ticker name? I think it was UABS, but it's always buy the rumor, sell the news. And I remember that was like my biggest loss. I thought I was gonna quit trading after that. So here we are years later, just not getting bagged.
Stop that on the second.
All right, that upper wick holding, bringing it back down to the buy zone now. Maybe descending bids down here, risking like a close under the low, but that rounding top on 15 is concerning.
That's what I was just looking at on SPX. Yeah. Go fill the gap. QQQ come down to 711.21 is the level I have on QQQ. And if we lose that, then it could keep going pretty quickly.
There goes IWM lower. Breaking midpoint after the evening star at the high.
Trump to host farmers at White House dinner on Thursday?
Isn't he hosting weapons companies today?
I believe
think
so.
so.
RTX, Boeing,
Okay.
Lockheed, and L3 Harris, I think.
Okay.
I could be wrong. That was off of memory.
I've not touched NQ or ES so far.
Need to hold 73.75 here. Otherwise, peace.
Yeah, yikes, brother.
SPY is a date with 7:30. It wanted it yesterday, just didn't get there.
I think it closed below 577 on NQ will get us pushing substantially lower.
MES long low of day risk area.
Got Amazon trying to push up again.
Yeah, Amazon's holding up very well.
Mm-hmm. That she
Gold's still
is.
fine. Above VWAP, above EMAs, up 1% of the day. Apple's curling a little bit back up. It's semis that are the weakest thing here. I mean, look at Broadcom, look at NVIDIA, AMD.
Yeah, semis were the big reason why we dropped yesterday.
Correct. That and the Koreans just have
Yeah.
coverage. Just degens.
Amazon looks like it wants to bull flag off this 5-minute high.
Yeah.
Robinhood new low of day.
The hoodie.
Robinhood's going back to sub 90. Let's PLTR, John. Maybe we looked at that one. Oh, I got some continuation gap down. Came back at previous day low here. I'm looking for Robinhood back to like 93 next. AMD looks like it wants to rug. AMD's hourly is disgusting. Ooh, NVIDIA.
Yep.
New lows. Tesla's now red. Microsoft Meta is red.
There's the level on QQQ. I just took some starters long right here, 533. I've got more orders at 500.
I'm looking for 452 on NASDAQ, potentially 230 if we do keep on pushing.
Watch that orb low test. I'm only down 1 point here, yes.
I just did a wick under the lows,
You
brought it
method,
back.
if I get a sorry.
Oh, my fault.
If I get a close outside of the 15-minute opening candle on ES, then again, that'll signify the imbalance. Either buyers taking out sellers or vice versa. But my main goal here for this long is just to take it over 52. That's that upper wick on the 15-minute. Scale and trail, let the runners do their job. There we go. We're pushing out of the 15-minute demand. Push back into that upper supply, and I'll de-risk a little bit.
100-point gain on the half. I'm all out, yes, longs. Same dip buy again. Swept under 74.40. Same thing.
Good shit, Mapes.
All right, there you go. 6-point gain ES, sold half.
That's why he's the go. The go.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Same pre-market low on SPY and the sweep previous day low on QQQ. Same trade from earlier, baby.
It's right off the NFP. The NFP on QQQ. Like just calling out that level 711.14. We like wicked into it and look at this massive reaction. If you go to your like 4-hour chart, hourly chart, either one, look at that 711 area on QQQ. It's a big level.
All right, we're back in the supply. This is not a long entry up here. I'm gonna raise stop loss, and another micro pivot I have is set for 74.60 on ES. It goes great. If not, I walk away green.
I also added back to my gold here. Oh, send it.
All right, Amazon, come on, another dollar, bro. Do it. Get back into it.
Amazon 240. It's gunning for it.
Mm-hmm.
I do think it'll probably get stopped there initially.
Yeah, 100%. My targets remain above for today for 237.50 up to 240. That's
Yeah.
all I was looking for.
I'm probably going to do a short scalp if it gets there. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Oh, yes.
$460 hit. Come on, fill it. Fuck it, I'll take a trim. 13-point gain.
Fuck it, I'll take it, True. Love it. Great trade, Mapes.
Sorry about my bad.
Fuck it.
There we go. Come on, gold. Flag it out. Just flag it out. Come on, give me 200 points in this NQ. Active UR.
We showed 680. Might put on me, but showed 680. NASDAQ.
Okay.
What a field. Come on. Give me those sweet words. Will, you still trading gold?
Yeah. We have a nice balance on 3-minute EMAs here, but again, like I'm looking at 10 minutes and 15 minutes for my confluence, and we've already flipped short on 10 minutes. So I don't know if we're gonna hold the long here.
If the 15-minute didn't flip.
Yeah, 15 minutes did not flip, but it still can. It still can, is what I'm saying. 10 minutes flipped.
Correct.
We're riding EMA 20, so it's kind of anyone's game at this point. What's really, like, the thing that I'm looking at a lot is VWAP here, too. The fact that we're below VWAP gives me a short bias here. So I am leaning short, but I'm waiting. Just waiting right now.
Trump canceled the housing conference today.
The fuck was that? The food
Like
conference.
3 minutes did flip long here, so you could try to justify like a buy red, sell green situation right now.
The 5 minute on gold just looks like a flag.
Yeah, it certainly can. You know, it's kind of this weird in between zone. You know, like I just don't really have any confidence. So I'm like kind of stepping back.
I hear you.
How is it over in NQ land?
I'm up 150 points.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Well, there you go, dude.
Cut out live. Right here. Told you guys where I was going along. Waited for it to come down. Came down. And about to get filled for 200 points. Just pops up another 220 points.
By the way, again, watch this 7400 here. Been our killer all day for SPX.
I think Arch is going to
The moon.
30-25. I think he's got another 10 points, 9 points here.
Oh, I guess we could have held that long a little bit longer.
Now 20 points.
20 points.
That was a nice pick. That was beautiful, Em. Nice job. I bought a 3 lot. He sold it up 150 points. I had bids below, but I was trying to be patient. But it's a win's a win.
We'll take it on this kind of rangy day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got sell orders up at 40 and 50, 60.
There's some red on gold finally, dude. I want to see this candle close below 38, if possible.
For the listeners, considering the range and these 15-minute candle prints, today is not the day to push it, right? Don't force continuation. Don't force a prediction thesis. If you've hit daily goal or max daily loss, consider just walking away and using the rest of your time to study or listen to us here in the space or on the spaces and take notes, most importantly. We're not up here just to blurt out trades. We're here to teach you guys, as well as a quick reminder, we have an EDU webinar, kind of a preliminary session leading into the August 3rd New York City Wolf event, right? The Wolf Summit. So make sure you guys sign up for it. I think the link is up in the nest. It starts tomorrow, 4:15 p.m. Eastern time.
It's 100 points. So I just took another trend here on NQ.
Hell yeah.
It is the tweet up in the nest.
It's 21 points on ES. Let's see if we get a new high a day.
Yeah,
Dude,
pre-market low to pre-market high again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 10 minutes of a flop on gold. Flipping long guys.
Set a new high. Baby. Alright, there's previous day high. WM. Q's is lagging and SPY is back at pre-market high. So let's see if they smack and keep us in this box or if we can finally break it.
Yeah, let's see the 7400 here.
On the field. On the field. On the field.
Look at 30 minutes. These two bottom wicks on the 30 minutes. Just
On the field. On the field.
thank you.
On the field. On the field.
Short of 60. Short of 60.
Fucking do it.
I'm not in it for a long time.
No, I mean risk to reward. This is where you short this thing.
Yeah.
If it's gonna do it before we potentially blow off the top.
WM is just looking like it's starting. I got Youngstown. So I think it may go 300 today. Q2 and Q2 close. I missed those RT1.
Okay, Amazon over 239.
I know. Come on, Amazon.
Get the hell up there.
Get your ass moving.
Mm-hmm.
Amazon's up 2% on the day now. Google's trying. All mags are green again. Yeah, SMH is assuming they're getting a nice bounce too. The bottom look on that. Amazon inside does whatever it.
If we break 7400, I see 7420 next. Big growing node. Wow.
That's what she said.
Sheesh. Mama.
All flat, everything. Short 70, I just covered them all at short at 64 average, covered them all at 34. Nice. Four.
Yes, right off the freaking spot again at 69. See if they can close over top of it. Or if there's going to be back down to it.
This feels like we're going to blow the top off.
We're going to squeeze them a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour. We're going to break this box eventually. 5 minutes says upside. 10 minute has been bearish, but it's trying to flip bullish, but it has not. 15 minute was bearish pre-market. Previous 15 minute flipped it bullish. Your 30 minute has been bullish since the open, and IWM is leading. So I remain neutral to bullish, same as yesterday. I think we can overtake this.
So Maple ES, the 15 minute never went bearish. It was bullish the whole day, right? Even though.
Yeah, CVC is long and open long. Like check that 15 minute open.
Even though you had a couple lows,
aside from the CVC, even like just, you know, I mean, I've mentioned this a few times to the listeners, but that upper wick and lower wick, I mark like a red supply zone and then a green demand zone at the lower wick, and I just trade accordingly. So like my entry was at 42, which is London orb low, and now we're at 67, right? And if you were shorting it earlier, right in that upper wick, like let's say the 945 15-minute candle, you know, you were able to take it from 61 down to new low day, orb low break 36. But you can't like I couldn't chase a long here in this upper supply, just like I shouldn't chase shorts in that lower 15-minute demand. But yeah, it was a great confluence. 15-minute CVC's been bullish. So if you've just been buying red candles, you're getting paid. I know it sounds like a little confusing, but I'll post a chart and then pin it at the top of the nest.
Okay, I'm just waiting here. I'm just waiting.
Breaking you up.
Yeah.
Still rejecting 7,400 right now.
I think I might have been muted. I trimmed gold at 50. I just saw that trim filled. So the ads that I took in the 30s, extra 15 points, took those back off, back to the original position from 39.90 with Will this morning.
Yeah, that was nice. It printed. Yeah, CBC's flipping short on gold again on 3 minute, making a lower high as well. So we'll see. 15 minutes not looking good either. Rejecting off that 20 there. Could be a good place to go short. Like for some green here.
Oh, I just realized we had VWAP up there too.
Yeah.
All right, so we're in at the top of the nest. There's the Doji method chart. Super simple. I've been trading this for years. You can apply this most names, all names, but pay attention to your 15-minute spinning tops, dojis, whatever you want to call it.
God, dude, this box is so freaking easy.
Mm-hmm.
You short the top, long in the bottom.
Yeah, it's literally just from line to line right now.
Yep, rejecting 7,400. Amazon didn't get to freaking whatever.
Well, R2I hit the 30.25 area that I was looking for. I wasn't in it. Now I don't know what to do. It did break yesterday's high, which is bullish. There you go. Come on. Buy it up. Buy it up. Let's take out IB high. We haven't broken either side of the IB yet, have we?
I don't think so.
R2I did. NQ, no. It's technically a bearish IB, but it's pushing much closer to the high. Same with the yes. So we should probably make a new high if I had to guess. Statistically, probably new low, but your first hour was bullish.
We're holding up. We really are.
On the ES is more bullish than NQ, just based on the IB stats. NQ actually has two bearish stats, believe it or not. Internals are not fantastic. Vol-D is red. ADD has been dropping since the open.
Yeah, I'm short gold here. for some more green. I'm gonna kind of ladder in to the position, but it's looking like he just wants to drop. Nice little rejection on the EMA 20 there in the 15-minute, 10-minute as well. We pumped past briefly, but yeah, and now we're below EMA 20 on the 3-minute. Suspect they'll try to pump it up here.
Mama.
Marfell maintained a buy. Price target raised to 350. ARM price target maintained a buy. Raised target to 475. Buy rating from TD Cohen. A-Lab 460 price target.
A-Lab.
Is Netanyahu speaking live?
Yes.
I didn't ask Trump for permission to attack Iran. I told him about it.
Nice.
Wow. As long as I am Prime Minister, Israel will remain in the security strip. Uber is flying on those Nancy Pelosi headlines. Pull off top about to come right here. Let's see. Don't do it. Gonna do it. You gonna take it.
Gonna learn today.
You gonna take that high?
Today.
Oh yeah, I'm fixing to rip it. Oh, look at Uber.
Poppin'.
You swing Uber calls? Come on. Bust through this. Come on. You can do it. Put your back into it.
There we go.
Prison. Knox, did you take a spread or mad?
Oh, I'm in a Condor.
Nice. You do NDX?
No, I was in sorry, Q's.
Gotcha.
I'm in a Q's Condor.
New high on ES. Amazon, new high today. Where we at? Is Larry with it? Move it to the glass.
Okay, new high day. I want to see a dip into 7,400 or maybe just a tiny bit above now and hold it. Amazon's getting even stick.
15-minute 200 EMA hit, 32-point gain ES. I'm down to the runners, baby.
Let's go.
Kind of. Yeah, look at this.
Just thinking of squeeze. Daily squeeze trying to fire upside right now.
Here goes your 74.20.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. There's your blow off top.
Get it all back.
Gosh dang. Thank you.
Let's go, baby. Oh,
There it
this
is.
is the extension, the imbalance. Sellers
300
turning into
point.
buyers up here.
300 point gain on EQ. I just took my last drum. Just runner. The runner.
Dude, you're so handsome. Hemp is so handsome.
Hey, this beard loves you.
Dude, I wish I could grow a beard. I don't know. Every like 8 months, I convince myself, hey, I can grow a mustache and a beard. And then a few weeks pass, and dude, it's so ugly. And I get like a splotchy Fu Manchu.
All right,
Keys
keys to
have
have
this,
this day. There we go. I used to have just like the chin strap thing, and then it started filling in nicely. I just had to kind of let it go.
Let it go.
All right, I'm about to trim a little bit of the Amazon here, approaching 240. Contacts are at 272. I wanted it to be a little bit higher, like 280. But I think it just took a little bit longer. Nice candles coming in though. All right, boys, I'm gonna get ready for a live stream here, so I'm gonna let y'all go. But great trading with you. Good luck on the rest of the day.
Yes, sir.
Later,
Yo, I love you. Well, have a good day, bro.
Oh, yeah, I love all
Hey,
y'all.
guys.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Nice trade.
I was muted.
There we go. There we go, Jeff. My name is Jeff. There we go.
Oh my God, am I gonna get 400 points? So I just
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I'm trying to see if I can get 280 on these. I'm at 278.
Come on, baby. Let's fucking go, Amazon. Oh my God, extend. Extendo.
Mag.
Extendo Clippo, cuz.
Come on, Amazon, get there. Get
Oh
there.
my god. Freaking pop these premiums by $1.
Get there, get there, get there, get
Oh,
there.
alright. Phil.
Ah.
There we go. There we go.
Okay. I started a small Amazon short.
Fuck you.
I said I was gonna do it if we get there.
No.
Yeah, we just start breaking out and this dude turns bearish.
I'm gonna start it right about now.
Daily lets for print a whole reverse. It does at the 9 though. Yeah, that daily's gonna print its own calls too.
The daily's gonna print a buy signal if it holds up here for a Morningstar reversal. It's kind of what I was front running. I mean, we talked about it yesterday. You had your, what is it, daily 200 down there?
I'm at 75, 80% of my I'm in runners in Amazon.
Nice.
I'll say hold some runners because we're going to run Knots over and go to 243.50.
Sheesh.
Let's go. Yeah, that daily Morningstar, if it closes like this, baby, gonna rip.
I just have a starter, and it's only a scalp. I'll close it under.
Oh,
Basically,
BOXL.
we get a little bit lower.
No, honestly, this is I have a big red zone right here on Amazon. If I wasn't long, I'd be looking for sellers right here to push it back down.
BOXL.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
It's a shit stock.
It's gotta be.
All right, runners only on Amazon at 290 here.
God, the Homeless Depot is looking great on the daily.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if they pay me.
Fucking go. What a day. What a fucking week.
Q 720 and 723 would be next.
What they just filmed me on Amazon. 292 runners.
Nancy Pelosi bought Uber, dude. It's up 5%.
She's like a hedge fund analyst jargon now.
Oh, sweet mother.
Oh God.
Oh Lord, I'm finna bust.
Shorting 2 at 63 on NQ. It's a short play.
Coming into the 74.20 on SPX.
So we're still ripping. Oh Jesus, Uber.
Oh, if gold holds right here. If not, it's gonna fall right back down.
45 points on ES. Oh my God. All right, that's a little ridiculous on Uber. Holy shit. So I was saying first thing this morning, like Uber, Pelosi, everyone's gonna rush in. Pelosi. Oh, I mean, daily squeeze flip bullish on Monday, inverse head and shoulders coming up to the neckline right now. Yeah, so you have in this scenario, you have a bullish, somewhat bullish technical setup, and then now you got a catalyst that may help push it. The weekly's in a squeeze too.
SPX getting
One at
stuck.
27.
Wendy's is like 30%. Sunrun's up 27% on that headline this morning.
What was their headline?
What was that headline? It was something with Tesla and Renew Home.
Oh, okay.
Up to at 808.
Yeah, rejecting. We basically got there. We got 74.19. 74.20 was the big spot now that we broke above 7,400.
I took that with you, Alan, right there. I just closed.
Nice one, man.
That was
We should
QQQ
make-
pre-market high on QQQ. That was a beautiful short. Great trade.
Yeah, nice and quick. We're probably looking for that overall day to either stay in this range or push higher, but seems like it's on the shorter trades at the moment.
No, gold don't. Uber's weekly. I mean, you got that base, the lower high. Feels this wedge with the squeeze that can get a little brazy.
Put this in for a fix.
Amazon new high today, baby. It can break in base over 241. Next daily level is exactly at 242. My next full target for a decent trim on runners is at 243.36.
Let's go to previous day high, 74.91. Don't get too aggressive up here for the listeners. You either trade EMA pullbacks on 3-minute or 15-minute, or you sit on hands.
The Amazon premiums are now pumping. They are now in multiples of 5 on the options chain. This is good.
Rip it, Lotto. Rip it, baby. Rip it.
50%.
God, RTY, what a fumble.
It's 30+ point move on RTY.
Dude, yeah. So the thing is, this morning was the same thing today I was looking for as we did yesterday. Just spying cues by the dips, but IWM might lead the way. And here comes SPY.
7,500, not out of the conversation.
Previous day high, 739.63.
Oh my god.
Alright, I gotta lock these accounts for now.
At least I nailed in kilo day.
Oh, there it is. Target acquired.
Let's go. Previous day high broken. That's a pivot. That means scale and trail. We're up 51 points here on our ES long. Great work there, guys.
Great work, guys.
74.45 is stacking up heavy right now.
Nice job, Duddy. I do have a zone here on NQ to be careful of 905 to 940.
Testing that gap fill on SPY.
Only bangers. I like that end.
Yeah, I had to have some fun with that one. I think you can catch a short on NQ up here at like the 900 area for a decent. I have a zone right here. Scout play. IWM almost to 300. I can tell you I'm not going to be taking it, but.
Oh, squeeze them.
Fucking Amazon, just pump the market. Squeeze them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to close my Amazon starter. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got him. It took a little bit longer than usual. The move that we got yesterday out of the gate, you're getting now on SPY. It just took 45 minutes for it to do it. It just
Took until the next day to do it.
yeah.
What do you guys think? Is now a good time for ones and twos?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
After the morning we've had so far here on Spaces with all this gold just being handed out, yeah, we should do some ones and twos.
Oh yeah, baby. You guys are trading along with us in the audience. Post in the comments. 1 if you're profitable. 2 if you had a red day. Just A-OK, and 0 if no trades break even. Just see how you guys have been doing. Got
2 1s and a 0 so far.
Solid one for me.
The bottom zone on SPY is 734.2. And we wicked down yesterday at the open. They bought it right up off that and ripped it. We've done nothing but get bottom wicks down there all morning.
NYG 150% on Uber calls. Thanks, Nancy. And yep, let's go. Eric Pro Fast with a 1 in the chat. Green Day, like to see that.
There's your 900 rejection so far on NQ, getting up into that resistance zone. About 40 points. If you grabbed it. It's a nice RR for it.
Still,
NYG's 150% on Uber. Love that.
still in my Amazon starter right now, but I'm most likely closing it. I'm looking for another long on SPY. Would be 740 calls for tomorrow.
Here's that 900 rejection. Look, I said 905 is my box. We hit 907. But levels be leveling. It do be leveling. SPX is a gap fill above us, by the way.
Oh my gosh, crude is below 70.
What is?
Crude oil is below 70.
Yeah.
So, what is it?
68 is my target.
CLZ December contracts are at 68. I've been talking about the December contract looking to replace the price lower the whole time. Whenever December contract priced above 70, we had big problems, but now it's really in line. This curve, the futures curve, was in such a crazy backwardation before, but now it's pretty calm. That is so good for the market.
100.
We're back at SPY's weekly 9 after dipping below it this morning.
Ooh.
Not bad, but them a problem. Yeah, like
Uber's still not stopping. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What was that? 12 candles in a row. Trying to hit 75. Yeah, the volume on it is insane. I guess I should have taken that MNQ
I
short.
started
right there
a
for a
MES
scalp.
long at 87.75.
happened to my Wi-Fi? Oh no. Am I still here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, thank God.
Yeah, we hear you.
I switched to cellular data, which is not not fantastic. Burst down.
Take tools on Live and we'll boil every creator down to one number, which is their median and
What did you say?
You guys can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately.
I agree.
I love Evan.
Me too. Such a handsome gentleman.
Oh, look at that freaking short amp. Oh, it's 100 points. Amazon new hive day.
My stop is going to be for the MES long. My stop is going to be 479.
Oh shit! There's a snack outside my door.
A snake?
What they get? Oh, I got a lemon loaf from Starbucks. Dude, I haven't had one of these in forever. Don't tell me I gotta go to Starbucks today. Dude, these lemon loaves? Fucking banging. Oh, yeah, I was saying it more for my internet scenario. I saw this guy
lemon loaf while you're there.
Hey, maybe that's the move. I saw this guy like pull up last night, start working on something, and like pull back in today. I was like, oh no. Amazon 60% new highs. Oh, that's
Yeah, I closed my Amazon.
That was 120 point rejection on Qs. Lemon loaf at Starbucks? I have not.
I told Ryan I wanted to be on the account, and I filled that shit. I took it.
Oh, that shit.
Someone in the chat mentioned Qualcomm. I don't know if we covered it already, but they just acquired a company called Modular in an all-stock deal worth $4 billion. This acquisition will help them compete with CUDA, which is NVIDIA's software platform that exists on their chips. So yeah.
Let's see something here. Let's go to SPX.
I gotta go whoop some ass. I'll be right back. Where's where are we trading at? I can't see anything.
74.84 on ES, 29.780 on MQ.
Where's gold?
Goldilocks is 40.17.
My chart looks better. We're still at 850 on NQ. Damn. I saw these freaking neighbors next door. I tell you what, they're like remodeling the entire house. I had to listen to hammering all day, and then the freaking internet guy just. All right.
Alright. Okay, we're going back to 7,400 here.
I know. I tried to go short up there at 900. M told me not to do it. Now we're 150 points lower. I did not tell you not to do it. I told you I had a zone exactly where you had a zone. you texted me and you said, "Hey, this is a short spot, but don't take it." No, that was not. He said,
Might have been.
"My Amazon short didn't work, so I'm just don't short this."
Might have been.
It could be a long spot right here on this back test. I'm about to go ham on this lemon loaf though. Oh, we're back. We might be back. Do you hear her in the background?
No.
All right, cool.
Who is it?
Is she going in on these kids?
Oh, your wife?
Yeah.
She going in. Bitch, I'm going in.
I'm gonna go hard. And I'm gonna go hard. 242 Amazon. We're only $1.36 away from glory. It's a big spot up here, though. Hoover's still going? Yeah. 7%. It's 135 per contract.
Amazonian. Did IWM hit 300? Did it hit 300? No, it's getting there though.
Send this alert right here on Amazon. Contracts are at
why is
345 because it's a really good company.
Poopal.
Actually, one of those things is true. The other one's false. True statement is it is indeed ripping.
I'm finding some support.
No, look, see, and that was the back test right there. It's looking 50 points. I think it was a 5-minute 9 on SPY too. Sold the last Amazon at 350. Let's go. Great work. Great work. Tesla's popping now. Trying to. Tesla and Nvidia haven't really done much today. If these two names really start to get in gear, can help push us up a little bit higher. Apple's now up 1%. Amazon's up 3.4. Meta's trying, similar to a Tesla thing, a pop set at the lows majority, but trying to come back up. IWM is still leading. SPY and Q's lagging. Q's is lagging the hardest. Every single sector right now is green other than energy. Usually when you see that, you have a decent trend upside in the market. Home builders is now up almost 7%.
Here goes SPX. Poppity poppity.
It really should be.
Of course you should be.
Gosh dang it, now. Freaking watching these levels just hit. And I'm not executing anymore.
Oh, this guy's fucking crushing.
It's that lemon bread.
Yes, yes. Go do it. It sounds pretty damn thick.
I don't know what's better to look at right now, my P&L or this lemon loaf.
God, Uber. Oh no.
Alright, I'm gonna head out real quick and eat my breakfast silently. I will be back around 12 for a drone conversation. So everybody stick around for that. Oh yeah, I'll catch you guys in an hour.
Later, Joe.
Drone.
IWM made a new all-time high. IWM new all-time high again? That headline just come out. Israeli drones flying at low altitude over Beirut. Beirut. Yeah, printed a 5-minute buy signal on SPY with that retest. I'm still stuck under yesterday's high. Like to beat it. How many of the squeezes fired? 5-minute squeeze fired upside at 10:40. Your 15-minute on SPY fired at 10:30. The 30-minute squeeze fired at 10 a.m. And now we just have the hourly squeeze left. With the buy signal on the previous hourly candle. I mean, we done called this bad boy earlier. What are they gonna do? Ooh, gold. Fish the food. I got. Go, gold, go. Go, gold, go. If you guys are not utilizing the squeeze indicator, I highly suggest you use it. It's free. It's the freaking best 4-letter import.
What?
Favorite 4-letter F word? Free. FREE. That spells free. TTM squeeze all day, baby. INDEPE. IWM and Spice look pretty good. Q's look a little rough.
Taking a small buy at 77.8 on NQ.
So I'm trying to learn the squeeze indicator. Watch the videos, baby.
Hey, maybe in the webinar tomorrow, maybe you talk about the squeeze indicator.
I am down to teach that entire freaking setup with it. Very easy.
We'll get it organized on the back end. I think in that webinar tomorrow, 10-15-minute segments from each person. I feel like that'd be a good 15-minute segment. Just going over the squeeze indicator.
And use it with confluence of 1 to 2 other things as well that give me the warm and fuzzies about it, but would love to cover that chart setup utilizing it. I mean, I've been using this indicator for years. One of the first things I learned.
I don't talk about it as much, but I click and look at it all the time. And like you talk about it enough that I don't have to like go like just check it myself over and over. But I do. I have it like, you know, in TradingView, like you like at the bottom when you have stuff on there, you can like double click the chart to like hides it. I just have
That's
it
what I do
down there.
Yeah. So the same guy on TradingView that I use that built the squeeze indicator, he has the other indicator. It's called the multi-time frame Squeeze Pro, and it puts a small box in the top right corner of your screen.
Just got stopped out of NQ.
There's a gnarly candle coming in, downside on Qs. But it has the 1 minute, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, and a small little table in the top right. And if one of those boxes is red, it tells you that time frame has a squeeze on that stock right there. You don't even have to go look at the indicator; it'll tell you that. But then you can double click, obviously, and pull up your sub chart and look at the indicator to then see is it curling upside, downside, bullish or bearish.
I stopped out of my NQ runner for 200 points.
Squeeze indicator by Lazy Bear? No, Beardy Fred is the creator.
Beardy Fred.
Beardy Fred. Beardy Fred.
I feel like I could get along with that guy.
I think you would.
I think you would. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if you're Beardy Fred.
Oh, whoa. No. I'm a big Fred fan.
You remember Fred on YouTube?
What was it?
Fred, but the high-pitched voice
Yeah.
back in the day on YouTube? No?
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, dude. Remember, I think he went on iCarly at one point in time, too. That
Yes.
whole episode. You know Fred. Dude made videos and his voice sounded like he was sucking helium the whole time.
Used to go to Fred's grocery store when I was a kid.
We have a Fred's Beds.
I miss Piggly Wiggly though. That was the real.
The hell is that?
Dude, we still
I never
have
heard of
the
that
Pig
one.
Wig around here. The Pig Wig?
What's that?
Jude.
That's news to me.
Gosh, dang, you bunch of freaking.
That's got to be like a down south thing, or
Ours actually went out. Now it's called Cash Saver. It's the same thing. Piggly Wiggly it's pretty. I think it's all across the south.
I've never heard of that.
They used to have paper sacks too. You get all your groceries in paper sacks.
Mm-hmm. When I think the one that was next to my house, my old house, about an hour away, they were still using paper. Tell you what, their that food court line in the morning for breakfast be bumping every day.
I added to some gold here.
SPY and IWM still looks good. It's just Q just bounced off your midpoint. If you mark low of day to high of day, if you're 50% retracement. So it's half back for Q. SPY is still, I mean, holding 5-minute 9, looking good. Oh, I didn't know Nancy Pelosi bought more INTC.
Yeah, that was the other one. She's about like 5 million of INTC or 1 million of Uber.
Dude, I'm up almost 600% on that stock. It's so stupid.
They're behind all the fintech news today.
I don't know when I'm supposed to. I don't think I'm ever going to sell the rest of that position that I have. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it now, other than you just let it sit. Maybe I'll get lucky and INTC goes to like $500 to $1,000 a share, and then they do a stock split.
Apple's ripping.
I think SPY can see a new high of day. It's just the hourly squeeze left.
Simi's just held yesterday's low on that pullback. Banks are what's really going today. Look at all your bank. Look at your fintech. Like, I mean, SoFi, PayPal, and then like your big banks. Or not even your big banks here. It's like your fintech banks for some reason. What's that? 4, I think, is one of them. Shift 4 payments is up 13%.
Mm-hmm. Look at Affirm.
Look at Upstart. We haven't talked about Upstart in a long time.
Yeah, that was the next one. AFRM and UPST.
Affirm. 10%. Yeah.
Those two. So then you start looking at Visa, MasterCard. Let's go look D, having a nice day, looking good. Let's go look at MasterCard.
Oh, there we go. We're going new highs.
Yeah, MasterCard.
Broadcom.
And last but not least, American Express, ticker AXP.
Going new highs right here.
Yup.
The information's reporting something. Broadcom, OpenAI, and Microsoft.
Something is stalled.
Where's the book? Give me the headline.
It's the
You never
hourly
know with the
squeeze. The hourly squeeze on SPY fires today. Your target zone above is 742 to 743.13. I think full gap fill is just above that at 743.43. So just have that zone highlighted if we start breaking and basing above previous day high and the hourly squeeze still hold bullish on the back half of the session. That would be target.
Uber. Monster.
Speaking of Monster, how's that stock doing? I feel like today would be having
Oh!
dude, that, Monster.
Is it a monster?
Dude, that is probably the most beautiful daily chart in the entire stock market right now. Ticker NNST.
Dude, isn't it the, what is it, the best performing company or something? Or something, or it was?
I think,
of all time. I don't know if it ever got passed, but it was like over, depending on what your time frame, it was like one of the top performing stocks of all time.
Yeah, it's crazy.
All right, now can Pepsi do something like that here? Let's get moving and grooving, Pepsi. Pepsi literally is at the bounce or death zone between 140 and 131, 140, 137.
I'm going to start opening a hedge for tomorrow. I really think we're going to go lower, and everything on my site is telling me.
I'm looking to go short. I want to short it from a little bit higher. But Q's can't do it. So mine's double popping a previous day. I just pulled up Celsius. This thing looks terrible still. It's having a good day today, though. I didn't even make a coffee this morning. What am I doing? Yeah, SoFi looks good. That's another nice long-term hold name right now. IWM rejecting previous all-time high so far, but still holding 5-minute 9. Hold the line, gold, hold the line. I really want to see IWM hit 300. Come on, SPY. Look at this hourly chart set and tell me it doesn't just want to go higher. Staircase from here to here. And from here to here.
They're holding 74.20.
Awfully slow going into lunch here. IWM still looks good. The Dow looks really good.
Did IDubs get to 300? No, it didn't.
Not yet. Yet is the key word there. It is. Bonds are ripping today, TLT.
Yo, pleasure making money with you guys today. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Have a great day. Love you.
Love you, Mapes. Later, Maple. Big shout out. Maple Stacks. Make sure if you're in the audience, make sure you follow all these great speakers who've been up here this morning, spending their time. Shout out to that. Shout out to the webinar. You scroll over a few times. Put the fourth one over, up top in the nest, maybe fifth. Stock market news webinar tomorrow. Maple, I believe, is going to be doing some CBC stuff. We're going to get Casey to do some TTM squeeze. Not what are you? I think you're going to talk about spreads.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about spreads.
Spreads. We've got Stock Talk. He's going to talk about his process a little bit, navigating these markets. Paper gains. I'm not 100% sure what he settled on. I think he was going to talk some about just like options in general and kind of the process that he's going through. Free webinar. Can't beat free.
Ooh, I started my hedge and I'm getting a nice reward to start with.
This 15-minute looks pretty gross. Same flat top at yesterday's high. SPY.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Yeah, it don't look good here.
No.
Yes, it's still fine. I mean, you're above the 9. Maybe you'll dip down to the 21.
Yeah, they would need to reclaim that 74.20.
Anyone else think that PayPal's eventually going to get bought out?
I don't know. I mean,
Why? I mean, you're not buying them out for the tech. You would only buy them out for the user base, right? Yeah, probably. Oh yeah, I just got a weird feeling that within the next year or two, we're gonna get a headline about something along the lines of that from PayPal. Maybe Elon can buy it back and save it. I made my coffee and I forgot to go back and grab it.
okay, BRB.
Later, Gator.
No, I hear.
I kid.
Drop it. Pay me. Frickin' pay me.
Oh, double top previous day high.
Oh, go. Mama. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, chop. So we're right back in the box on QQQ. My neighbor is now power drilling. So
Oh, he upgraded. He got power tools now. He was like, I'm power tools hammers. He said what?
Oh, they ended it. I'll be right back. 1 minute, guys. Just give me 1 moment. I'll be right back. I have you guys watched up on the multi-screen here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's see if they. Oops, sorry. Hold on. Restart that. Okay, there we go. And Qs. Okay, let's see. Okay, they're back up.
So everyone partnered with OpenAI yet? There we go. Gold. That's what I needed. Gold back to 40. I'll take these ads back off on that. I'm been flatting Q. I post. It was XAI. That's right. It was not. Not OpenAI. Interesting. Being bought up off that 21 on SPY right there. Boom. And that NFP. Well, let's finish the hour strong. Let's talk some drones.
We should definitely have Snipe on here to talk some drones.
Yeah. He said he was coming. Joe said he was coming. I know he's interested in that space. I'm just not used to being on spaces. It gets so quiet without the little like background music from the stream. Oh, is that a Troy I see? Pretty nice reaction there off the 21, Frank.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I had bids at 85 in NQ. It traded at the figure. I was looking for it just to drop a little lower.
Yeah, it hit 70, bounced 100 points almost.
I didn't chase it. I should have. I knew I was looking for that 1145 low to buy, and I just should have bought something, but I didn't.
All I did was buy some gold. IWM looks great still. We are going into lunch, so you just wonder, is there going to get any follow through at this point of the day? But we will see. I mean, you look across the market, it doesn't look bad. ADD pushed all the way back up to new high. Vol D actually went positive, so your internals went positive there. The Vol DQ went super negative about 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. I wouldn't be surprised to see NASDAQ and just overall kind of a chop to see what Micron says this afternoon. What's up, Mr. Fast News? Let's see. What is Intel doing? Not bad. Didn't get the same pop. Uber though, that new thing from Pelosi. It's a new idea almost. Makes you wonder if there's like something with regulatory approval or something's gonna happen. Evan, whatever happened with like Joby and the ones that are doing those like Evadol taxi things? Are we still like pretty far away from that, or are they like actually doing stuff? Just chew on that one a little bit and come back to me. What's up, Knoxville?
Yo. I'll be right back though. I gotta go do something.
Oh, okay. Mr. Casey Trades. Hi guys, I just came back on to say bye, guys. We were talking about
What's for
we were
lunch
talking
today?
about your neighbors going from manual to automated right before Evan rugged us, but it happens. For lunch, Evan, you just ate like 3 loaves of lemon loaf. Or I know. Is it lemon loaf? Is that what you called it? Yeah, lemon loaf. So good. I don't know what's for lunch actually. The grandparents are over, and I think Grandma's cooking everyone up a meal right now. So
Shut up.
she's a chef. That's what she does for a living. So I'm excited to go into my kitchen right now. I'll tell you that. Shout out to Grandma Trades. But I got to make a drive down to South Carolina to go see B Trades and buy some illegal fireworks. Dude, how is B Trades? I'm gonna send him a message. I gotta leave the house in like an hour or so to make a drive down there. I'd be interested to see if he'll respond back in time. See if I can swing by and see him, meet him. Knowing B Trades, he's probably going to be at Hooters. I know, and I don't know if I can bring my family in there, so
That
he might
guy.
have to. It's big chicken wing guy. He is. He goes there for the wings. I know that for a fact.
We're back.
We back. What up, Joe? Back like we never left. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of the rest of this cold. Yeah, that person needs to take some medicine. Definitely get your medicine. But I'm done for the day. I have runners on Amazon again, still looking to see if 243.36 can get hit. 65%. I just posted it there at the top for me. Just Amazon, Microsoft, and those MES longs this morning. That's all I did. About $1,600 on this fine wacky Wednesday. But I will not be on stream in the back half of the day. I will be gone, so I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. So, all right.
You can catch your brother.
Y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.
You as well. Enjoy yourself.
Later.
See you, Casey.
Love you guys. I also want to shout out that Vanquish account that's been up here hanging out with us. Good follow, but if you're an options trader, it's the first prop firm that offers options trading. They do day trading over there. You can go to vanquishtrader.com or just click into the profile there and get there. Code WOLF get you the best discount. They're running 35% off right now for the summer. 35% off, code WOLF at Vanquish. If you're an options trader or if you're trying to get into options trading, hey, risk their money, not yours. Chop, chop, chop. These guys are about to drill a hole all the way into my house. Here comes my stop out on gold.
That'll sound interesting.
Good Lord, I'm gonna lose my mind if they sit here and drill into my wall all day. Can you hear that in my background?
No, it sounds quiet. Just your
It's
voice.
crazy because, dude, it sounds like they're revving a go-kart in my wall.
Renovations or maintenance?
They just moved in, like new people just moved in, and they're like, yesterday I think they were building cabinets or something. I don't know. There was a sink sitting outside the house, like they're just like renovating the whole house.
Right.
Joe, can I ask you one question here? First one, are you watching positioning at all today? Have you had a chance to kind of take a look at it? Just maybe a brief thought on any of the positioning.
Positioning like the ADD kind of thing.
Yeah, just I know you kind of follow some of the data stuff there, especially in the futures. Is there anything sticking out to you? Maybe some big walls. Does it look like we're in a kind of condor situation here?
I wish I had more information. I'm not going to LARP around and act like I have everything open right now because I made a huge bug and it would just take 30 minutes to start. So I haven't been able to get to that yet. But what I will say is, based on the consolidation and stuff like that, how we're respecting view up and psych levels, you could treat the levels like 29,600 as those areas in 29,900 as areas of big exposure, although gamma and stuff like that will cluster around the even number strokes like that.
Oh, all right. It's interesting. We are going to rotate the conversation here, Joe and everyone. I'm excited. Probably going to chop either way in the market, but lunch hour, things slow down a lot. A lot of people away from the desk. We like to try to have valuable conversations here on these spaces. And I know today we have the pleasure of having the Han ETF team. I see Brendan joining us up here. We'll talk some drones, some future defense stuff, one of the very hot sectors of the market. Some of the defense names pulling back a little bit. Obviously, that's kind of to do with the conflict stuff in the Middle East. But boy, there could be some really good buying opportunities that this part, future defense, AI, drones, how it all mixes in together. I'm excited for this conversation here. Brendan, do we got you up here?
Yeah, guys, can you hear me?
We got you loud and clear. How's your day going?
Perfect. It's a pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie. It's busy, and that is the best kind of way to pass a Wednesday, I think.
I like the way you put that. I know we've got all kinds of World Cup action going on later today as well. Pretty calm day in the markets. So we're in this kind of consolidation period. Do you have any thoughts? Maybe we'll start there. Just overall market thoughts as we've made this historic run back from, I guess beginning of April, this historic run back up. Obviously, the AI trade's still firing on all cylinders, it feels like. Micron earnings this afternoon. But just in general, market, huge run, kind of little summertime lull, consolidation. Feel like a lot of people, maybe on their vacations, maybe away from the desk a little bit. Volume seems to slow down. And just kind of consolidating up here. Any broad market thoughts to kick us off today?
No, I think you kind of hit the nail on the head. Like, it's a different market that we've seen, though, relative to other kind of seasonal cyclicality. Yes, late cycle after historic run, there still seems to be a lot of room to grow because things are happening in this market faster than ever. You're seeing a ton of focus on, obviously, the AI build out. You have the SpaceX IPO, you have the anticipation around OpenAI and Anthropic. You have all of that coupled with geopolitical turmoil, different sorts of headline risk around logistics, oil, all of that every day kind of changing a little bit. Like, I remember days when there was no volatility in the market. I think the volatility creates a ton of opportunities. And it's just, I think this is what's here to stay. Like, information will continue to come faster than ever. And there's so much transparency at this point, or maybe lack of transparency, depending on how you look at it, that it creates these opportunities that I don't think we're going to see smooth sailing for a while.
This is probably the most volatility I've seen at all-time highs. Like, a lot of times the volatility at all-time highs, it's just these slow, grindy markets, but it's so volatile up here. There's a lot of leverage in the system. I mean, like, I don't know. It's very interesting, and it's a rapidly. I mean, you hit on one piece there. A lot of people like don't know. I mean, there's a lot of unknowns around this AI trade in general, I feel like.
Well, I think it's also like the legs of the stool, right? In terms of players in the market, they've expanded. And so you had a pretty slow IPO calendar for a while. Then SpaceX came. I mean, obviously there were others, but like, let's talk about SpaceX, because we'll always talk about SpaceX for a while as it relates to IPOs. But given that that was not just necessarily driven by institutions and professional investors, that they allocated a lot to, retail investors, like, I think that is a precedent that's being set for, that is shaping the way markets are unfolding. Obviously, think about this community. It's a much more sophisticated retail trader base than what we're used to, or specifically what we're used to pre-COVID, really driving a lot now. And so I think that is a force to be reckoned with. And I think that, throws some volatility in the space, but also, again, creates opportunities and levels the playing field now that everyone can have access to certain things.
Yeah, I love that. Thanks for kind of kicking us off those thoughts. Brendan, do you maybe want to introduce yourself just briefly here for the audience? I also see Axel down there. We're trying to get you up here. If you maybe close out the app and come back, request again, or if anybody's got his information, just tell him to try to reset the app. We'll get him up here on stage. Brendan, maybe a quick introduction, brief 30, 60 seconds of kind of who you are, who you're with.
Yeah, of course. Of course, guys. So I'm Brendan Kavanaugh. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer at Defiance ETFs. Defiance, if you're not familiar with us, we offer leverage and inverse single name ETFs for the most part, some baskets as well. So we as a firm love volatility in the market because of the trading opportunities, the tools that we provide can be used for. We also have some option-based income products, and then we do a lot in the thematic space. Most notably, our largest thematic ETF is Quantum QTUM. We do a lot in that kind of next generation investing theme space. And recently we've partnered with Han ETF to bring some of these strategies to Europe. One in particular is the drone ETF.
Beautiful. We are going to be talking about some individual tickers today. If you hear any tickers mentioned, please go in, read the prospectus. You can find that in the summary prospectus on the website, hanetf.com, defiancetfs.com as well, has a bunch of their stuff. If you're in the audience, you've probably heard us and heard myself talking about the SpaceX 2X leverage ones from Defiance. I'm up very nicely, actually, in the 2X short one, SPCQ. So shout out to you guys, Brendan. I appreciate that. Nice gain on the 2X short there. I don't know. I don't want to. Here, we'll pause on that piece for a minute because I want to make sure we introduce everyone up here. But shout out to you guys for that. But just to kind of connect some dots there on the Defiance piece of things as well, get the compliance stuff out of the way. Axel, I think we finally got you up here. Can we get a mic check on your end?
Hey, how's it going, guys? Starting in from Europe here. Beautiful and sunny Zurich.
Oh yeah, over in Zurich, huh?
There you go. Yes.
Big game for you guys today, I think.
I think so, but being French and British, I've been following a few teams. Let's put it that way.
Big games every day, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of action over there. It's just been a fun tournament. Axel, maybe jump in here, a brief introduction, who you are, who you're with, maybe some of your background, and then we'll kind of kick into some of this drone talk.
Sure, it's great to be with you today, and thanks for everyone who tuned in. It's TMX Verify. They built my company Robo Global, which is a specialist robotics and AI investor who's around 12-year track record. We do indexing, and we're privileged to partner with Han and Defiance on some of the products you've mentioned previously. So great to be with you today, and we'd love to talk about autonomous systems in many applications, whether it's government, security, or commercial. They're great companies in Zurich. We're not too far from ETH Zurich. You might know the name. They got a great robotics and engineering center. So we should have some good examples.
Beautiful. Excited to have you as a part of the conversation here. Let's kick it off. Let's start with drones here a little bit. We've got some panelists up here that know a lot about drones as well at Stock Sniper account. I know Joe's interested in the space, several others, but I want to lean on you guys a little bit here. Drones, big topic in the market. Maybe an overview. What's the high level view here when we think about it and seeing, Defiance, Han, all these different guys partnering together? The drone space seems to be the next thing. I mean, yes, we hear a lot about robotics and all those things as well, but to me, it's AI and then drones and then robotics. And the drones piece, it's super fascinating to me. We're seeing tons of government spend around some of these things. We're seeing a new area of warfare. What's the high level? Where are we at today in drones? Maybe I'll kick off with you, Brendan. Where are we at today in the drone space? What's the overall strong thesis? Why should people have a drone basket maybe on their radar?
Yeah, so with anything, we love something where there's government funding or any sort of public funding going into it because it's so sticky. And so you're seeing a ton of government spending on the U.S. or in
One
the U.S.
second, guys.
defense.
We're just fixing something here on the back end. As you can see, it says the live feed is down.
And has been happening. Threw a lot of light on the opportunity, right? This is the first kind of conflict where there's more activity being driven by unmanned systems, by computers, by AI than humans. And right now, even before, there's more government spending on defense than there has been basically since Desert Storm. Gives up this huge opportunity for some of these smaller drone manufacturers and some of these larger defense primes that are involved in drones broadly, because they're seeing kind of this David and Goliath story of some of these small drones as resources being able to take on huge legacy, defense infrastructure and resources. Given that some of these companies are smaller and nimble, and what they're producing are literally small, nimble flying machines, for lack of a better term. It's not just drones; it's physical vehicles, though. There's a lot happening with unmanned systems, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, any sort of military intelligence happening here in modern defense. They're all coming together, creating this opportunity in the marketplace, I'd say. So it's a transition from hype to actual execution right now, as dollars are being spent, as infrastructure is being put in, and as the opportunity continues to unfold, both on the defense side, but also in other aspects of the economy, like logistics, like energy, like healthcare, agriculture, all of that. There are different applications for drones than just in the defense world.
That was one of the pieces that I kind of wanted to ask you guys about here, just to clarify a little bit. There are a lot of good pieces you just hit on, but one of the big ones, a lot of times when I talk to maybe the casual person that's not super into the markets, or the casual investor that's starting to figure out that maybe they've just been kind of a spy, maybe they're getting into more thematic investments now, maybe they've just been spying QQQ in the past. But when I sit here and think about drones, a lot of times I have these conversations and people say, oh yeah, my son has a drone, or I like flying around and videoing stuff or something like that. When you say drone, what all categories are there around drones? I mean, does eVTOL count here? Obviously, we think about the military side of things. We think about the consumer use of them. When you say drone, what all does that encompass?
Are you asking me, or?
Yeah, Brendan, right back over to you.
Oh yeah, I mean, I think of drones as sort of a small aerial vehicle, not manned by humans, can be used broadly. So I think of that in a very broad sense, and then I think when you look at sectors, when you dial into those specifics.
Yeah, and I think you have
kind of thinking of drones just as another piece of hardware used by hobbyists or by militaries in very different formats. But I think also it's about a broader shift in defense and how wars are fought now. To kind of two senses which drones are kind of key. Well, one is the deployment of systems or pieces en masse at scale. And for this one, you obviously that you are happy and expecting to lose in large numbers to deploy on such scale, and at the same time, is the coordination aspect and the ability of these to work in conjunction with other equipment pieces. So I think it's more about this broader shift towards autonomy, and then obviously within drones, then we talk about drones in the investment case, but there's a larger ecosystem to this. There are the airframe manufacturers that create the hardware. Then there are companies out there which may produce the software, which coordinate drones to be deployed at scale. Then within that, you have also, you consider drones are often data gatherers. They produce
Okay, guys, I'm going to hop off here. I have to go do some things, bring the baby to an appointment. I will be in chat. If you're interested, check us out at voltic.io.com.